Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to doTERRA's Lumo Diffuser. So this is a beautiful white diffuser with the faux wood base. This diffuser can run for 2 hours, 5 hours, or 10 minutes. If you run it on the 10-hour setting, it will be intermittent for 5 minutes on and then 5 minutes off. It lets out this beautiful mist here that you can see at the top, and it has the option for a white light, a bluish light, the cyan light, green, orange, pink, purple, and then a bolder blue. Or you can choose to have the light completely off if you wanted to use it at nighttime and you didn't want to have the night light. This diffuser is fantastic for a room or an office. It holds 150 milliliters of water, which is pretty standard for the diffusers, and can run for up to the 10 hours if you use the intermittent setting with just one refill of the tank. It's really good for filling like a medium-sized room. It can cover 500 square feet. So this is one of our favorites for when we travel. It works really good to pack up and put in a suitcase, and all of the parts for the outlet all fit right inside the base. You can slip this cover off, and then you can actually dry it all out and put the charger and all of the base cording and all that kind of stuff will fit right in the base. So when you fill it, you want to fill it up to this red line here with water, and then add your oils of choice. So typically I'll add anywhere from 3 to 5 drops, maybe a couple more if I'm running it on the 10-hour setting. And then just pop the lid back on and give it a go, and you will be good for 10 hours of diffusing.